In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail. Whether you're tackling emails at work or managing personal correspondence, Zoho Mail offers a streamlined and efficient platform to handle all your needs. Let's dive right into getting you up and running with Zoho Mail in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. Once you have that ready, go ahead and type Zoho into the search bar. You should see a list of results pop up, and what you're looking for is the first link or the result with zoho.com as the URL. Give that a click, and you'll be on your way to accessing the Zoho website. Now, if you already have a Zoho account, log in with your credentials. If not, don't worry. It's just a matter of signing up, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a variety of Zoho services. Look for the Zoho Mail option and select it to enter your email dashboard. When you're on the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is quite intuitive. You'll find the New Mail button located conveniently in the left pane. Clicking on this will open a new email window where you can start composing your message. You'll need to enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Following that, add a subject line to give your email context, and of course, write your message in the body section provided. Zoho Mail gives you the flexibility of using rich formatting tools to enhance your email, or you can switch to plain text mode if you prefer a simpler, unformatted email. Once you're satisfied with your email and have reviewed everything, you're ready to hit Send. This button is usually located at the bottom of the email window. And there you have it. Your email is on its way. Beyond sending emails, Zoho Mail offers a host of features to help you manage your inbox efficiently. Use folders, tags, and filters to organize your messages. These tools can significantly enhance your productivity by sorting emails based on criteria like senders or subject lines, making important messages easier to locate. Additionally, Zoho Mail allows integration of tasks and scheduling events right from the Mail interface. This feature is perfect for multitaskers who need to keep track of ongoing projects and appointments directly from their inbox. Lastly, you can personalize your emails by creating and adding custom signatures. Head over to the Settings menu, where you'll find options to design a signature that can be automatically appended to every email you send. And that's it. With these steps, you should feel comfortable navigating and using Zoho Mail to handle all your mailing needs with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.